Think about this. What if you, never hate Monday again? Like, ever.
Wait, no way. Mondays are like always bad.
Right? But welcome to English Pod Center. I'm Luna, and...
And I'm Lucas, and I hate Mondays.
Okay, but today we are talking about your dream job.
Dream job? Like sleeping? Can I get paid to sleep?
No, I mean, well, maybe, but no. A dream job is work you love.
Work I love. I like eating pizza.
Okay, pizza tester is a job, but the problem is...
You get fat?
Maybe. But no, the big problem is most people hate their work.
Oh yeah, like so many people. My friend hates his boss.
Exactly. They wake up, they feel sad, and they just want to go home.
Yeah, it's like a prison. Wait, prison is a bad word. It's like a bad school.
Good example, Lucas. A bad school. You sit there looking at the clock.
Tick tock, tick tock.
Exactly. So what makes a job a, dream job?
A lot of money? Millions of dollars?
See, that's what everyone thinks.
Wait, it's not money?
Money is good, but if you have money and a mean boss...
Oh, yeah. If my boss yells at me every day, I will be sad.
Right. So money is not the only thing.
Okay, so if not money, then what? Free snacks?
Free snacks are great, but no. It's about how you feel.
How I feel, like happy?
Yes, happy. And, useful. Like you do something good.
Oh, I see. Like a doctor. A doctor helps people.
Exactly. But a dream job is different for everyone.
Really? So my dream job is not your dream job, Luna?
No way! You know my dream job.
Wait, teaching English?
Yes, talking on this podcast. I love it.
Oh, wow. You are in your dream job right now.
I am. But what about you, Lucas?
I like talking to you, but I still want to sleep.
You are so lazy.
No, I just really like my bed.
Let's use an easy example.
Okay.
Think of your favorite hobby, something you do for fun.
Playing video games. I play for like 5 hours.
5 hours? Wow.
Yeah, sometimes 6. Don't tell my mom.
Okay, your secret is safe.
Thanks. So video games, how is that a job?
Well, some people play games on YouTube, and they make money.
Wait, are you serious?
Yes, very serious. They test games, they show others how to play.
Oh my God, that is a dream job.
See? But to do that, they have to work hard.
Oh, work. That's the bad part.
But it's not bad if you love it. It's like eating your favorite cake.
I love cake.
If you eat cake, is it hard work?
No, I eat it very fast.
Right. When you love your job, it feels easy, like eating cake.
Okay, I get it now. Work feels like cake.
Yes, exactly. But how do we find this cake?
Yeah, where is the cake? I want it.
The cake is not in a shop, Lucas.
Oh, man, I was like ready to go to the shop.
I know. But to find your dream job, you have to look inside.
Look inside? Like in my stomach because of the cake?
No, not your stomach. Inside your mind.
Oh, my mind, right.
You have to ask, what do I like to do every day?
Sleep. I like to sleep every day.
Okay, but you cannot get paid to sleep.
Wait, really? Someone told me they test beds.
Well, okay, maybe bed testers exist, but it is very rare.
Ugh, so sad.
So think about other things, like what is fun for you.
I like playing games, video games.
Perfect! That is a great start, Lucas.
Really? But games are just play, not work.
Ah, that is the secret. It can be work.
Wait, I don't get it.
People make the games, right?
Yeah, someone makes them.
So making games is a job, a real job.
Oh, wow. I didn't think about that.
See? But to find it, you have to try different things.
Try things? Like tasting food?
Exactly, yes. You try a little bit of this, a little bit of that.
And if I don't like it, like vegetables?
Then you spit it out. You stop doing it.
Okay, no vegetable jobs for me.
It is good to know what you do not like.
Right, like I don't like washing dishes.
Me neither. I had a job washing dishes once. Wait, you did?
Luna, you wash dishes?
Yes, a long time ago. My hands were like always wet.
Ew, that sounds so bad.
It was, but it helped me.
How? It just made your hands wet.
Because I learned I want to talk to people, not dishes.
Oh, now I get it. The dishes didn't talk back.
No, they did not. So I knew my dream job was talking.
Like we are doing right now on English Pod Center.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so step 1, find what you like.
Yes, taste the different jobs.
And step 2 is know what you hate.
Right. Find out what you do not like.
I hate math. Numbers are scary.
Then do not be a math teacher. Very simple.
Good idea. No math. What is step 3?
Step 3 is hard. You have to learn.
Learn? Like go back to school?
Maybe. Or just practice a lot.
Oh, practice. So if I want to make video games,
You have to practice making them every day.
Even when I am tired?
Yes, because remember the cake?
oh, the cake. If I love it, I want to eat it.
Exactly, Lucas. You will want to practice.
Because practicing is fun, like a game.
You got it. But there is one big problem.
Oh no, a problem? I don't like problems.
Nobody likes problems, Lucas.
So, what is the problem, Luna? Is it money?
Money is hard. But no, it is the boring things.
Boring things, but it is my dream job.
Yes, but okay, think about the cake again.
Cake. I am hungry now.
Focus, Lucas. After you make a big cake,
I eat it.
before you eat it, look at your kitchen.
Oh no, the kitchen is very dirty.
Right, you have to wash the plates.
Ew, I hate washing plates.
Exactly. Every dream job has dirty plates.
Wait, I don't get it. Video games do not have plates.
No. I mean, every job has a boring part.
Oh, like sitting at a computer for 10 hours?
Yes. Or, fixing computer bugs?
Bugs, like spiders?
No, computer bugs, when the game is broken.
Oh, right. That sounds very boring.
It is, and it is really hard work.
So, if my dream job has boring parts, is it still a dream job?
That is a very good question.
I know. I am very smart.
Sometimes. But yes, it is still your dream job.
Because I like the fun parts more?
Yes, you love making the game more than you hate the bugs.
Wow, that makes sense.
It is a mix. Good things and bad things.
But Luna, what if I hate the boring parts too much?
Then maybe it is not your dream job.
Oh, that is scary.
It is, yeah. A lot of people, they stop.
They stop making games?
Yes, they quit because the plates are too dirty.
Wow, I do not want to quit.
I know you don't. So we do a trick for your brain.
A trick? Like magic?
Kind of. It is like a small game.
Okay, I'm ready. What do I do?
Think about the very worst day at your dream job.
The worst day. My game is gone. I lose it all.
Okay, yes, everything is gone.
And my boss is very angry at me.
Good. It is a really bad day.
I am very sad. Maybe crying.
Okay, you are crying. But now ask yourself one question.
What question?
Do I still want to try again tomorrow?
Oh, wow. That is a big question.
If the answer is yes,
Then it really is my dream job.
exactly, because you love it, even on a very bad day,
I love this, Luna. I understand now.
right? It helps people a lot.
But wait,
What is it now?
I do not have a boss. I want to make my own games.
Lucas, it was just a story to help you think.
Oh, right. Sorry. My bad.
That is okay, Lucas. You know, making your own games is a big dream.
Yeah, but it is very hard work, right?
Oh, yes, very hard. But like we said, if you love it,
Even when my computer breaks,
exactly, even when the computer breaks.
I will, still want to do it.
Yes. So let's do a quick practice for you and everyone listening.
Ooh, practice time. Okay, I am ready.
Take a deep breath. Okay. Think of 3 things you do for fun.
3 things. Playing games and sleeping.
Sleeping is not a job, Lucas.
Wait, really? Oh man, I am very, very good at it.
No. Think of active things you actually do.
Oh, okay. Playing games, drawing pictures, and talking.
Talking. Good. You talk a lot.
Hey, that is true.
Okay, now pick one. Just one thing.
Playing games. No, wait, drawing. I picked drawing.
Good. Now ask yourself the big question.
The bad day question?
Yes, the bad day question.
Would I draw if my pencil broke?
Well, you can just get a new pencil, but yes.
Oh, I mean, would I draw if no one liked my picture?
Yes, that is a very good question.
Would I?
Well, would you do it?
Yes, because I like drawing. It makes me happy.
See? That is the secret, Lucas.
Wow, it is. It is very simple.
Simple, yes, but not always easy to find.
Right. You have to think a lot.
Exactly. So what about everyone listening?
Oh, yeah, the people listening.
I want you all to try this practice today.
Write down 3 things you like.
Yes, and ask the bad day question.
Would you do it on a terrible, very bad day?
If yes, maybe that is your dream job.
Or maybe it is just a hobby, like my sleeping.
Yes, like you're sleeping.
I still think sleeping is a great job.
If you can find someone to pay you to sleep, tell me.
I will. We can sleep together. Wait, no, not like that.
Okay, Lucas, time to stop.
Sorry. I mean, we can both get money for sleeping.
I know what you mean, but really, think about what you love.
Yes, find your dream job. It is out there.
We want to know your answers, guys.
Yeah, tell us. What is your dream job?
Put it in the comments. We want to read them.
I will read all of them, even the sleeping ones.
And if you liked our talk today,
Please hit subscribe.
yes, follow us here at English Pod Center.
English Pot Center, the best place to learn.
We help you learn English and find your dreams.
It is true. See you next time, guys.
Bye, everyone. Keep dreaming.
And keep sleeping. Bye.